Hi guys, this is Josh from Super U Shop Fitting Limited. We are custom shop furniture manufacturer and also provide shop interior design. And today, I would like to show you one of my clothing shop projects we did for the Australian lady clothing brand. We finished the whole shop interior design and the whole shop display manufacturing. In this video, I would like to show you some details of the fixture we made after the manufacturing. And most of the displays in this project were made of laminates, metals, and the stainless steel. And the first one is our powder-coated metal with powder-coated finish clothing rack. Each of the powder-coated finish we finish as two-pack panning, and with stainless steel strips on the top for avoiding the scratching. When you hand on the clothing, it will scratch the powder-coated surface. So we put stainless steel strips on the top. And we move to the next part, which is a major part of this store, is the clothing display cabinets, wall cabinets. Overall material is the laminate, off-white laminate material. We choose the color sample, the color of the laminate as our client's requirements, and also based on our design. And this showcase, this cabinet with our special technology is wireless lighting systems like this, such as this one. As you can see any cable. You can't see any cable outside of the cabinet. See it? We take off the shelf. The lighting's off. We put on the shelf, the lighting's on. This clothing rack also made of metal with powder-coated finish. And the special part of this display is right here. We put a wood-framed laminate at the side of this display. Is our special design. It's a special part of this wall cabinet. The main color of this whole shop interior design is the off-white color, like this laminates, and also the wood green color. And with these two kind of color, also another part is the shop front part. The shop front display platform. It will be placed at the shop front window. We'll put on the mannequins on this platform, and also some handbag products on this display table. And we move to the reception part. At the reception part, we finished the reception board, image board, and also the reception logo. Here is the reception wall, image board, with illuminate backlit logo on the wall, with the back panels. The back panel was made of MDF with the lacquer painting finish, and at the two sides of the image board is this kind of board, like a half brown stripes. And another special part is the tabletop of the counter. This is made of the rock panels like a marble, artificial marble. In the storage cabinets, you may ask, where's the transformer? We might use the transformer for the illuminate logo. So we hide the transformer here. And another part of the inside of the stopped interior design is this one. Especially designed for as our client's requirements, with this kind of belt display for the belt display, with different depth of the hanger, display different kind of the belt, also with the adjustable stripes at two sides. You can adjust the height as you want. And the next part is the accessory display. This accessory display is like a screw. You can take it off and switch another accessory on it. And hang on different kind of accessory, lady accessories, earring, necklace on this hanger. Also with the storage cabinets at the bottom. Okay, the rest part is our cashier counter. Overall was made of artificial marble, a tabletop and two sides and the front. This is the back side of the reception counter. All drawer and cabinets are lockable with the special drawer for the computer. You can put the computer inside, and the door with the ventilate system. Okay guys, that's all for this project, and we are happy to share with you more project and details. And next time I will show you other project videos. And if you are looking for store furniture, shop interior design, please feel free to follow us and for more details. Thank you.